Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakenhun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jela hakakat santri ukulan kon arja option kala penbenai ke kerteng jogi laingut ginong song ke jela penyok pediang ya ke Meghalaya Day Award arja option ya ke Khusnam Kiang Nangbah Award kabede bagi kami lekai la Jied ya ke Kmoiñ Wahlang kanong marek marathon balatemen bah ke baju sim benta haki lempung ya ko marek marathon hakaleng ke jela bat sabah jong ke jela ya ke Khusnam Uturut Sing Award halor ke Arts and Culture la menjur ke kerteng jong usemburtus sangma ubri nagasnong rongkhon tura West Garo Hills District baya ke Khusnam patagon en sangma nagabenta ki kam trebon sobha hake imlang ka alang aje ya ke kerteng jong Reverend W.C. Khongwir.
So the Uturut Singh Award for Art and Literature, we have approved the name of Shri Semburtus A. Sangma, who is from Rongkhon Tura, Garo Hills. His name has been brought by the advisory committee, which is headed by the Chief Secretary, and we have approved that name. The Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Service, the awardee, as recommended by the committee, is Reverend W.C. Khongwir. The third is Kiang Nangbah Award for Sports and Games. The winner, the awardee is Srimati Kmoiñ Wahlang, who is our long distance runner. I think all of you are aware of her. So these were the three people who were selected, and this will be officially announced on Meghalaya Day, 21st of January.